let's say, we need to have that approved by August 1st. Ordinarily, it would be a much quicker turnaround, but I want to give you enough time to do this. So let's say that we need it by August 1st, which will give you 6 weeks
Okay.
to obtain that.
I got one question, Judge.
Yes, sir.
Is this court making a determination that traveling is a privilege?
I'm telling you that that's how I am interpreting your testimony and the officer's testimony in this particular case.
That I was driving for profit and commerce?
No, that you were operating the vehicle, navigating, as you said. So let me just really be clear about the order, so we all understand it. If you obtain your 39-month driving record from NBD and obtain insurance, the fine in charge one will be reduced to $950 to $133. The sanction for charge two will be reduced from $492.50 to $135. And the sanction for charge number 3 will be reduced from $168 to $75. The ARS 28 surcharge of $18.50 is applied to that amount, total amount. With these reductions, it comes to $361.50. You have agreed to make payments of $20 per month beginning the 1st of July. No, we said the 8th, right? I'm sorry, the 8th of July. And we have to have a proof of the driving record and the insurance reinstatement by the 1st of August in order for those sanctions to take place. If we do not have those, and they're not part of it, I can't make these reductions. We'll have to reinstate the original amount. Now, if you've got concerns or problems about making the monthly payments you've agreed to make, call us in advance, we'll work something out with you. And sir, I'm not purposely trying to be rude to you. You were not introduced as a witness or anything else, and I can't hear anything from you.
Well, it's just that I'm co-owner of the.
I can't hear anything from you.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I
Because,
apologize.
well, I just thought because there's a conflict there, because I'm co-owner.
No, you're
Well,
not,
then-
you
let me-
were cited,
I
you're
can
not
do-
called as a witness, you're not an attorney.
Okay, then
can't
I
hear
can produce him, I can submit him as an evidence.
You had that opportunity to do so before, sir, and I
Well,
asked you if you wanted to do it.
but I also have the right to unregulated travel too,
So,
which has been stepped.
Anything else?
No,
Thank you very much.
I will appeal this.
to do that, don't you?
I am not signing anything. Okay.
Okay,
Is that it?
that's it, well, give you some papers.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, sir, you have 14 days to appeal. I'm going to give the whole appeal package. That way, I'll put refuse on the signature. You don't want to sign it?
I
Okay.
can't enter into a contract.
That's fine. I'll just put refuse and put given.
He didn't even look at any of that evidence.
Okay, and if you do decide to appeal, all that evidence will go to Superior
Oh,
Court.
right, no, I
Everything,
understand.
the only thing you would have to purchase is a CD, because that goes with it. You would submit your memorandum. I'm giving you the whole packet, that way you have all the information, okay?
Okay.
But like I said, it's only 14 days. That is including weekends. After the 14 days, if we don't receive it, then that's when the conviction will stand. So as long as we receive it by the 14 days.
Oh, the appeal, you mean?
Mhm.
Right, yeah. I'm,
So if you submit everything, all your testimony, everything that happened,
Yeah.
they'll have a copy of
Yeah.
that, okay?
yeah. Well, see, I have the American Liberty Union, Liberty Alliance, and when this goes to appeal, they will be representing me.
Yeah, and since you had so much other court evidence,
Yeah,
maybe.
it's Supreme Court, and and I can tell by the fringe on the flag that this is an international contract court. They can only hear international contracts in dispute. That's the gold fringe. It's a corporation, United States Corporation of America. That's what it is.
See, I never even heard of that.
Well,
So when
if you take
oh.
that stuff that I gave you, and if you read that, that's corporate. You know, he says navigating. If I would have said I was peddling, he would have said I was driving. Driving is Uniform Commercial Code identification
take a
for
look at
driving.
that, 'cause
It's
it really-
unconstitutional. And they've been, and the American Liberties Union Association has been waiting for something like this. Because I'm a traveler.
What is it again? American
American Liberty Association Alliance, American Liberty Alliance. And what they do is they take in these contracts, international contracts, and they take them to court, and they expose the fraud that's been perpetrated on the people. I've been, you know, we've all been, they've been doing it since all. And we're standing up for it, all right. It's the Supreme Court, Miranda versus Arizona, said that no state may take a right protected by the Constitution and turn it into a privilege. And that's what they've done by switching one word, driver.
Let me look at that.
Yeah, look at that, but because you'll never look at the way that we're being treated again. Because what they're doing is criminal. It's criminal. What he just did is criminal. You have a good day. Huh?
Is this the packet?
Yeah,
Okay, that explains appeal process.
yeah, that's everything you need to know about the appeal.
Okay, cool.
Have a good day.
Deprivation of rights under color law.
Yep. She didn't even know that this was,
Fully enforced.
she didn't even know that this was an international contract court. That's what she